Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to multiply numbers all the way from 9 to 99,999. We're going to be learning two methods, starting with the method off to the left. So starting with 99 times 4. The first step is to multiply the ones digit of 99, which is 9, by 4, which is 36. 9 times 4 is 36. But we're going to write 36, but spaced apart. In the center, we're going to write the unused number. So in this case, we had already used this 9 and we used the 4. So only unused number is 9. So our answer is 396. Going to 999 times 5. We're going to multiply the ones place of 999, which is 9, with 5, which is 45. So we're going to write 45, but spaced apart. Because right here in the middle, we're going to write the unused number. So we've used this 9 and we've used this 5. So unused numbers are 99. So our answer is 4,995. Going to 9,999 times 7. We're going to multiply the ones digit by 7. So 9 times 7 is 63. We're going to write it spaced apart. Because in the center right there, we're going to write the unused numbers, which is 999. So our answer is 69,993. Lastly, we're going to multiply 99,999 by 3. We're going to multiply this 9 by 3, which is 27. So we're going to write 27, but spaced apart. Because in the center, we're going to write the unused numbers, which is 9,999. So our answer is 299,997. So this is how you do it with the first method. Moving on to the method to the right. The first step, starting with 7 times 9, the first step is to minus the first number, which is 7 in this case. We minus it by 1. So 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Now that we have 6, the next step is to minus this 9 by 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So our answer, we combine this number and this number. So our answer is 63. Let's do 82 times 99. We minus the first number by 1. So 82 minus 1 is 81. Then we're going to minus 99 with 81. 99 minus 81 is 18. So our answer is, we combine these two numbers. So our answer is 8,118. Moving to 56 times 999. We're going to minus 56 by 1, so it's 55. And then we're going to minus 999 by 55. 999 minus 55 is 944. So our answer is 55,944 because we combine these two numbers. Now, moving on to 876 times 999. We're minusing 876 by 1, so it'd be 875. Then 999 minus 875 would be 124. Once these two numbers are combined, it equals 875,124. Moving to 435 times 9,999. We're minusing 435 by 1, so it'd be 434. Then we're minusing 9,999 by 434. That equals 9,565. Once those two numbers are combined, it equals 4,349,565. And now the last problem. 6,478 times 9,999. Even though it looks like a big number, it's the same deal. We're minusing 6,478 by 1, so it'd be 6,477, and minusing 9,999 by 6,477. That equals 3,522. Once those two numbers are combined, it equals 64,773,522. So there you have it. This is how you easily multiply numbers from 9 all the way to 99,999. Even though they seem like big numbers, you can solve the problems within a few seconds with barely any work. So I hope y'all learned a lot, and please subscribe, like, and share this video. See y'all next time. Bye.